Did you know there was a library that contained all the knowledge of the ancient world? Do you know how it ended up being lost forever? Well, let me tell you. It all started thousands of years ago, when the greatest minds of the ancient world came together in Alexandria, Egypt, to share their knowledge with one another. They discussed everything from mathematics to medicine to astronomy. And they decided to write down all their findings and put them in a library. This library was huge. It had books from all over the known world. It was the ultimate repository of human knowledge. But then something terrible happened. The library burned down. All that knowledge, all those books, gone. But wait, there's more. The library was actually destroyed multiple times. Once by fire, once by water, and then again by neglect. Each time it was rebuilt, but each time it lost more and more of its collection until eventually there was nothing left. Well, because these ancient texts contain knowledge that we have lost. We will never recover. For example, there was a book called the Emerald Tablet of Hermes, which contained the secrets of alchemy. Alchemy is the study of the transformation of matter, and it's believed that the ancient alchemists were able to create gold out of lead. Imagine that. If only we had their knowledge today, we could solve so many of our problems. There was also a book called the Book of the Dead, which contained the secrets of life and death. This book wasn't just a collection of scary stories about ghosts and goblins. It was a guidebook for the afterlife. It told the ancient Egyptians what to expect when they died and how to make the journey to the underworld a little easier. It also contained spells and rituals that were meant to help the dead person's soul. Unfortunately, both of these books and countless others were lost when the library was destroyed. We don't know exactly what caused each of the 3 disasters that struck the library, but we do know that if we had preserved these ancient texts, we would have had access to some truly incredible knowledge. Knowledge is power, and those who control the flow of information control the world. And that's why it's so important that we keep learning and that we share what we know with others. Who knows what kind of discoveries we might make if we work together. So let us take a page out of the ancient Egyptians' book and start sharing our knowledge with the world. After all, that's how we're going to make real progress. Now you need to watch. Did Jesus just rise from the dead? Or have a look at this.